All right, let's talk about wellness routines. Do you ever feel like yours is, well, anything but simple? Today, we are going to unpack a supplement called Green Synergy Elixir that says it can change all that. We're going to take a look at their product sheet and see what's really going on inside the sachet. I mean, really, does your kitchen counter in the morning look a little bit like a science experiment? You've got a scoop of this, a pill for that. It can get super complicated, right? Well, this product is trying to be the answer to all of that clutter. And here it is, their big solution, all wrapped up in one very catchy phrase. Your green gut glow go-to. One and done. You gotta admit, that's a pretty big promise. So the real question is, can one little drink actually do it all? Let's find out. Okay, so how exactly does it plan to deliver on that one and done promise? Well, it all boils down to this. It's 3-in-1 formula. Let's break down what that actually means. So the entire formula is built on these 3 pillars. You've got happy gut, glowing skin, and smart nutrition. As you can see, each one makes up a third of the product's entire focus. And we're going to dive into each one of these to see exactly how they're supposed to work. First up, let's talk about the happy gut pillar. The goal here is pretty simple, right? It's all about supporting digestion and helping you feel less bloated. So let's take a look at how they aim to do that. The very first thing that just jumps right off the page is this number, 3 billion CFUs. Now, CFU just stands for colony forming units. The easiest way to think about it is like a head count. A head count for all the good living bacteria they've packed into each serving. That is a whole lot of tiny helpers. And the specific type of probiotic they're using here is called Bacillus coagulans. So what's so special about this one? Well, it's tough. It's really tough. It's shelf-stable, which means you don't have to refrigerate it, and it's specifically designed to survive that harsh, acidic environment of your stomach to actually get where it needs to go to do its job. But here's the thing. It's not just about the probiotics. You have to think of it like a sports team. You've got the probiotics, those are your star players. Then you've got the prebiotics, which come from chicory root. Think of that as the food that keeps your players energized and on the field. And finally, you have 13 different digestive enzymes acting as the coaching staff, helping to break down all the food. So altogether, it's designed to be a complete support system for your gut. Okay, moving on from gut health to our second pillar, glowing skin. The approach here is something the source calls a vegan collagen builder. So how does that even work? First up, an absolute hero ingredient from the beauty world, hyaluronic acid. You can basically think of it like a magnet for moisture. It helps your skin hold on to hydration to keep it looking plump and bouncy. And paired right alongside that is gotu kola extract. So if hyaluronic acid is all about moisture, this ingredient is about nourishment, working from the inside out to support your overall skin health. And this is where we see how it all comes together. The formula combines vitamin C, that hyaluronic acid we just mentioned, and biotin. And the whole idea is that this trio works together to help your body produce its own collagen, which, is absolutely key for your skin, your hair, and your nails. And now for our third and final pillar, smart nutrition. This is the greens part of Green Synergy, so let's see what they've actually put in this blend. We all know we're supposed to eat the rainbow, right? But let's be honest, it's not always that easy. So the idea behind this phytonutrient blend is to help you fill in those gaps, giving you a nice boost from a really wide spectrum of fruits and veggies. And you can really see that diversity when you look at the ingredients list. You've got your powerhouse greens like broccoli, kale, and spirulina. But it's also balanced out with fruits like mango, cherry, and blueberry to really round out the nutritional profile. So, now we know what's in it, but how do you actually use this thing? Let's get into the practical details and a couple of really important notes. Honestly, the instructions couldn't be any simpler. You just mix 1 stick pack with about a cup or 240 milliliters of water. Just make sure that water is cold or room temp, and definitely stick to just 1 pack a day. And there's a really good reason for that temperature rule. The product sheet is very explicit about this. Avoid hot liquids. Why? Because that heat can actually kill the live probiotics. You want those 3 billion tiny helpers to arrive alive, and dunking them in hot water would kind of defeat the whole purpose. And of course, like with any supplement, there are some important notes from the manufacturer. The biotin in it can interfere with some lab tests, so that's good to know. And it's always recommended to talk to your doctor before starting something new if you have a medical condition or are pregnant. These are pretty standard, but they're important disclaimers to be aware of. So here's one final look at their whole formula philosophy. On the one side, you've got all those active ingredients we've been talking about, the probiotics, the enzymes, the phytonutrients, and on the other side, you've got a list of what they've intentionally left out, things like gluten, dairy, soy, and other artificial additives. And all of this brings us right back to where we started. This product is betting big on convenience, on the idea of combining gut health, skin support, and nutrition into one single, simple step. And that leaves us with a bigger question to think about. Is this all-in-one approach really the future of our daily wellness routines? Something to chew on.